Hello everyone, I'm here today with True Blue Roofing and Siding to teach you how to cut Hardie boards. If you're familiar with the different types of home siding, you'll know that James Hardie fiber cement boards have become one of the most popular options recently due to their durability. Hardie boards are made of cement, silicate, and a wood fiber mixture. Because of its cement base, it can be difficult to cut through Hardie boards, even for small repair or replacement projects. It's also crucial to note that Hardie boards contain silicate, which means they will produce silicate dust. Silicate dust can be extremely harmful if inhaled, so you must use a dust mask respirator if you intend to use power tools for the job. The score and snap method is popular for small projects that use thin Hardie boards. You want to use a carbide-tipped scoring knife if possible. With a straight edge, outline where you'd like the board to break. Then use your knife to score along that line. You may need to make several passes before the knife has cut deep enough to snap the board. Once you have scored along the entire line, use a folding motion to snap the board. If the board doesn't snap, go back and make deeper cuts with your knife and try again. The next method is best for larger projects that use thin Hardie boards. You'll need a specialized tool for this job, so you may want to try a different method if a new tool isn't in your budget. The tool is called an electric fiber cement shear and can be pricey, but will save you a lot of time in the long run. For this method, you'll again want to measure and outline your cuts in advance, and then line up your shear jaw with the edge of your cut line. Once you turn the tool on, follow the marked outline and be sure to keep the edge of the shear pressed down firmly against the board for the cleanest cut. The last method is to use either a jigsaw or circle saw. Both of these may be tools that you have at home, but you'll want to use specialty diamond blades. The jigsaw works well for irregular shapes, and the circle saw works well for thicker boards. Use one of the other two methods for thinner boards or straight cuts. The saws create a lot of dust, so you must wear your mask for this. As with the other methods, you'll want to outline your cuts ahead of time and work slowly for the cleanest cut. Because these boards are very durable, your blades will dull and must be replaced often. There you have it. These are the top 4 ways to cut Hardie board siding. If you're working on a repair project, be sure to check out our blog video on how to replace siding. If you've decided to forego the DIY, consider reaching out to our team at True Blue Roofing and Siding. We're professional exterior contractors with all the necessary tools to get the job done quickly. For more information or to contact our team, visit trueblueroofs.com. Thank you.